Moira called her through to the sitting room. "You might want to see this." "I'm Karen Latimer. I'm here in the Highlands of Scotland to meet Cal Mathieson, who needs no introduction as the guitarist with 2CM, the band we all loved so much before Charlie's tragic death in 1995. After more than 20 years out of the spotlight, fans will be thrilled to learn Cal is about to release a new album, his first solo work. These days, I gig with local musicians. You could say I've rediscovered my pleasure in making music. So far, you haven't had a name for the work. Can you tell me what you've decided to call it?" "Well, the working title was Songs of Love, Loss and Longing, but it's really called First Person Singular. Anyone who's lost someone they love will recognise what this song's about. You never fold on a winning hand, but I couldn't tell. Though I had gold, it never seemed as grand as when it all fell." The lyric told the story of coming to terms. "I'm growing used to another skin, 'cause I recognise I spent too long in the one I was in, with no compromise." The song concluded, "I'll start again for the very first time." Annie had tried with everything she had to believe she was through the worst, that she had put the past behind her. But seeing Callum, hearing him sing, the strength of her emotions confirmed what deep in her heart she already knew. The past, those few precious days with Callum, was where she still longed to be.
You never fold on a winning hand, but I couldn't tell. Though I had gold, it never seemed as grand as when it all fell. I'm growing used to another skin, 'cause I recognize I spent too long in the one I was in, with no compromise. But it's taken up to now.